Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are going to use our best handwriting to write words. After we write the word, we're going to use a highlighter to highlight the vowel. Our first word is an. An. Please write the word an on the first line. An. Now with our highlighter, we are going to highlight the A because we know that short A says ah. With our pencil, we're going to write our next word, fan. Fan. Please write fan. Fan. With your highlighter, we're going to highlight our vowel. The vowel is A. Short A says ah. Our next word is at. At. Please write at. At. Highlighter. Going to highlight the vowel. A says ah. Our next word is fat. Fat. Please write fat. Fat. Take out your highlighter and please highlight our vowel A. Our next word is tan. 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 With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel. A says ah. Our next word is tap. Tap. Please write tap. Tap. With my highlighter, highlight the vowel. Short A says ah. Our next word is nap. Nap. Please write nap. Nap. With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel A. Short A says ah. Our next word is pat. 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 With your highlighter, we're going to highlight the vowel. Short A says ah. Our next word is pan. Pan. Please write pan with your pencil. Pan. Pick up your highlighter and please highlight the vowel A. A says ah. Last word is ran. 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 With your highlighter, please highlight the vowel. A says ah. All right, my friends, on this side of the paper, we're going to write a word. You can see our word bank over here on the side. Our words are jam, bag, dad, wax, nap, gas, tap, sat, rag. So my first word is jam. I'm going to find a picture of jam. Oh, here it is right on the top row. J, a, jam. And once I have written the word, I'm going to cross off jam in my word bank so I remember I've already used it. My next word is bag. B, a, g, bag. Please find bag and write the word bag underneath its picture. B, a, g, bag. Cross off the word once I'm done using it. Our next word is dad. D, a, d, dad. Please find a picture of a dad and write dad underneath the picture. D, a, d, dad. Once I've written the word, I cross it off. Our next word is wax. When you light a candle, wax will drip down. So I can see a picture here, and the arrow is pointing to the candle wax. W, a, x, wax. Going to cross off wax after I use it. My next word is nap. N, a, p, nap. Find a picture of someone taking a nap. Oh, here on the top line. N, a, p, nap. Our next word is gas. G, a, s, gas. Right here, this picture on the bottom line is a picture of a gas pump. G, a, s, gas. Our next word is tap. T, a, p, tap. Our picture here is a tap of water. T, a, p, tap. 2 more words. You're doing great. The word is sat. S, a, t, sat. And I can see here the arrow is pointing down, so we can see that the boy sat on the chair. S, a, t, sat. And our last word is rag. Ag, rag. The arrow here is pointing to a rag inside the bucket. Ag, rag. Way to go. You did great.